Kilobot, now that you've absorbed the powers of 45 different robots, let's just see exactly how good you are.
Ready. Got you.
Good strategy. Impressive. Absorb one of their EPUs and then you'll know exactly how the others will fight. 5 out of 7 with no wasted shots. You just get better and
Broadcast
better.
alert from Rubik's Corp.
This season's new line of robots is the most exciting we have ever introduced.
Nemo.
Endurix is our new rescue bot and has
Endurix?
more power than any robot ever created.
Most powerful ever created? Kilobot, I've just found your next target.
Ready.
In the future, not so far away, it's the dawning of an all-new day. Robots for everyone. Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end. Robots for everyone. They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
The
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide. Gotta fight all day and night. Yeah. 'Cause you got the robot who sets everything right. Cubix. Powers beyond compare. Cubix. Evil forces better beware. Cubix. If there's trouble, we will always be there. Robots for everyone. Cubix.
It's gonna collide!
Everyone, take cover!
Oh, there's nowhere to go! Oh, no!
Help us!
Have no fear, Endurix is here! I'm the brand new rescue bot from Rubik's Corp, equipped to handle any emergency! Rock begun!
Wow! Thanks, Endurix!
You got it!
Not only is he our most powerful model, but he's the first robot ever to teleport.
Teleport?
Endurix, why don't you show them your routine for the show?
Well, okay.
Wow!
That's amazing! You see that? Hey, there he is!
That's so cool!
He can instantly transport anywhere within a 10-kilometer range.
Oopsie!
Watch where you're going!
Oh, sorry.
Are you okay, Acoustics?
I think my subwoofer broke my fall.
That was really amazing, Endurix.
Oh, well, thank you.
Are you nervous or something?
I don't want to mess up. Professor Nemo's counting on me.
Huh?
Robots that build skyscrapers, robots that fold newspapers, rescue robots that are brains, highway robots built to.
I can't stop my feedback! Oh,
Acoustics, try to shut yourself off!
It probably happened when he got knocked over.
no! Uh-oh, here comes another
Switch on auto mute!
Hey, try to adjust his feed. Speaking of feed, I'm hungry.
But Mom, we just ate!
Cubix! Maximix! I'll be needing one of you to get us some floating bleachers from the warehouse.
Yeah, I'll go. I want to try out my new tires anyway. Vroom vroom, yeah. Maximix takes the inside corner. He's now in front by 3 lengths. He's heading for the home stretch. It looks like Maximix will be the winner. What an amazing performance we see today from young Speed Demon. Acceleration, cornering, handling. Is there no... Ah! Who are you? I am you. You can't be me. I'm me. Say hello to the new speed demon.
What the? Look out!
Hey, look! What's Maximix up to? Hey, Maximix! Chill out!
I can't chill out. I'm already too cool for words.
What's he doing?
Maximix sees shortcut, takes it.
He's flipped out!
Maximix! Hey! What's wrong with him? Hey, did you guys see where Maximix went? Into the loading dock. Come on! Do you know what's wrong with Maximix? He almost ran over a bunch of people upstairs. I upgraded his tires. But that can't be what's making him wig out. Hey, Maximix!
If you're looking for a green exercise robot, he just popped a wheelie, bounced off the wall, called me a purple buckethead, and went that way.
Thanks.
Hey, Securix! Keep an eye out! We'll be right back!
Oh, I don't think you will. Ha ha! Now it's time for robot number 49.
Professor Nemo has no idea how nervous I am. But all those people watching just terrifies me. It makes my EPU shudder.
You should do what I did last year when Abby asked me to be in her school play.
What did you do?
I held my head up high, I went right out on the stage, and I... Whoa!
You fainted? In front of everyone? What? Who are you? What do you want?
Can't you see?
I'm little Don.
And what I want is you. Very good. Dr. K was right. You will be the top prize.
I don't know who you think you are, but you're not taking me! I will crush you!
Good move. I can't wait to try it myself. Number 50 down the hatch. Now it is time to find Cubix.
To help welcome you to the annual Rubik's Corp Robot Show, here's Kenneth and his magnetic barnacle! You will be astonished at the advances we've made in robot technology!
Oh, I think you're the one who's going to be astonished.
Did you find anything? Nothing.
It's like he completely disappeared. It doesn't make sense.
Well, he's gotta be somewhere.
Hey, you guys! Someone locked us in here!
Now, let's hear it for the big daddy-o himself, the father of modern robotics, Professor Nemo!
We have a really good show for you today.
He did it! We're out!
Thanks, Cubix. You know, first Maximix wigs out, and then we get trapped in there. It's like someone's trying to get us.
Hey, look!
Next up, our new math teacher robot, Correctix. He can be a disciplinarian.
Hi-ya! But I can make math fun and entertaining. 22 times 22 is 484.
And now, the robotic wrecking ball, Demolishix.
I can knock down any building in 2 seconds flat.
First it was Maximix, then it turned red and had wings and back.
Ugh. Sounds like Dr. K's robot. We better track it down before somebody else gets attacked.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go!
Hello? Is anybody down here?
Beep, beep.
Don.
Step
What are you
aside.
doing here?
Coming through.
Hey! Don, come back here! Where are you going? Don! Oh no, he seems wigged out too. Huh? Endurix! Don? on?
Oh, no.
Oh, Mom, something attacked Don Don. Don Don, wake up! Don Don!
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Rubik's Corp's latest and greatest rescue bot, Endurix!
That's right, Elionics! With ultra-pressure hydraulics, Endurix is so strong he can break granite with his bare hands!
I can do better.
Better than breaking granite, can you bend steel, Endurix?
Much better.
Whoa! Better than bending steel? Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen?
Hey, Mom, have any luck? Struck out. What's Endurix doing here? He's the star of the show.
Where have you been?
If cracking granite and bending steel isn't even a challenge, what will you break for us today, Endurix?
You.
Me? Oh, he's joking, ladies and gentlemen. What a prankster. Hey, that's not funny. Somebody help me.
This guy's hilarious.
Excellent work, Kilobot. Now find Cubix and get his data.
Cubix.
Thanks for coming, everybody, but we're going to have to end this just a little bit early.
Oh, what are those things?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, burping bubbles. Let's get out of here.
Hold your breath till they pass.
Whoops. Hey, we know you're not Endurix. You don't fool us.
I am Kilobot. A shapeshifter. I am able to absorb the power of 1,000 robots.
This is bad. Hey, you tell me right now what you've done with Maximix.
I think he was number 47.
That's Maximix.
Yes.
Why, you?
Cubix, you are next on my list. He can teleport, just like Endurix can.
What's he doing?
Teleport on!
Oh, he took the whole stage.
That was a blinking, blooming, bumpy trip!
Where are we?
Looks like the middle of nowhere. Cubix, watch out!
Cerebrix, send a signal to Rubik's Corp.
Transmitting.
There they are.
It looks like some kind of desert. Cubix, this is child's play.
Cubix, I'll help you, mate. Magnet on! Got you now, you hooligan!
No, I have got you.
Uh-oh, I think I'm in trouble.
Oh no! What's he doing to can it?
Taking his power, I think.
Magnet on! Get off me, bloke! Reverse polarity!
He can copy the power of any robot.
But how?
There they are!
What happened to everyone?
Abby, Endurix.
I tried to fight him, but he was too strong.
It's not your fault. We've seen him in action. He's very powerful.
It's me!
Cubix, are you okay?
I think so.
It's time to change
My image.
Maximix.
Yeah, catch this, buddy.
Cubix, watch out!
Yeah, watch out for this.
That's enough!
What?
Huh?
Here goes nothing.
Mong! Hey, wait!
Stop it now!
Huh? That's strange.
Maximix, put that down!
Yeah, right away.
Ha! It worked! The program you copied includes the order to follow every instruction I give.
Way to go, Mong! Cubix, move now!
Sorry, bud. Looks like it's game over.
Ha 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 ha!
What's so funny?
It may be game over for Maximix, but for Endurix, it's time for the bonus round.
And the bonus round will be ending quickly.
Cubix, are you all right? Oh no! Cubix, get up!
Cubix isn't getting up ever again.
Cubix! Ah! No!
Hey, guys!
Cubix is falling!
Endurix, help him!
Teleport on! Have no fear, Endurix is here!
Thank you.
Now let's fight him together. You're no match for me!
Huh? Oh no! He transformed just like Cubix!
Watch out! Let's go!
Right behind you!
We got you!
Teleport on!
Thanks, Endurix.
Hella said to tell you I have a blind spot behind me.
So he would have one too.
Hurry, Don Don! Radio Cubix right now!
Cubix! Come in, Cubix!
What is it, Don Don?
He's got a blind spot behind him!
A blind spot? Roger that.
Cubix, you're finished!
Gotcha! Where'd you go?
Cubix, if you're the best there is, then no one will ever be able to beat you! You won't get away with this!
I've got you now! No, now I've got you! You're the robot who attacked me at the amusement park!
That's where I learned this!
Kilobot, you're running out of power! Come home!
Cubix, we will meet again. I know.
Teleport on!
I'm glad you're all back and okay.
Welcome back, you guys.
What's going on over there?
Everybody was watching on the outdoor monitor. You're all heroes.
Especially you, Endurix.
Did you hear that? You're a hero!
A hero? Wow!
Let's go meet your fans.
Everybody, I got the bleachers. I hope I didn't keep you waiting too long.
Wow!
Wow! Maximix! I'm so happy to see you! I'm so glad you're all right!
I'm happy to see you too. Whoa! You gained a pound or two.
If Dr. K's robot can keep copying other robots, he's only gonna get stronger and stronger.
That's right. We've got to find a way to stop him. The question is how.